A very good morning, students. Today we have to discuss about the element of yoga. Okay, after finishing the importance of yoga, I will discuss the element of yoga. Yoga is not a word, we have to say that is a Sanskrit word used to means join Atma to Paramatma. You know very well in a previous class. Okay, students, now we have to discuss about the achievement of yoga. What is achieved and what is the ways, eightfold method. Union of Atma with Paramatma. Okay, so 8 element is there or 8 ways there. So we have to achieve the union of Atma to Paramatma. Now we have to discuss first point. First point is Yama. Yama means aesthetic discipline. It means your behavior. We have to discuss about your behavior. Your behavior is doing very good, honest and truth behavior. अचीवमेंट ये एक तपस्या होती है किसी को भी ट्रुथ और ऑनेस्ट रहना. ठीक है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द यामा. In this yama you have not go to bad habits or bad ways. If you are good to any work, then you have to do with a very honest way. This is the yama. आपका बिहेवियर एक्यूरेट, सही, सभी के प्रति सच्चा, सत्य, अहिंसा. लॉट ऑफ पॉइंट इज देयर. 5 point is we have to discuss. We have to provide your notes. You write. Okay. For main thing is that what is yama. Okay. Like some example there. अगर आप लोगों को सच बोलना है तो वो सच जीवन भर बोलना एक तपस्या होती है. वो करना अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट होता है. ठीक है. लाइक युधिष्ठिर. ठीक है. इन महाभारत. सेकंड पॉइंट इज नियमा. नियमा मीन्स सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन. अगर आप कुछ भी कर रहे हैं तो उसमें आपका खुद का अनुशासन होना ज़रूरी है. यू हैव टू डू. If you are doing an exercise, then you have to do a daily routine work. This is very important. Niyama. Okay, is it clear? I think clear, students. Now next point is asana. Asana like a physical posture, or we have to say that slow stretching exercise is doing there. You have to do a correct posture. If you are sit, then you have to know about what is the proper posture for sitting and standing and walking, etc. Okay, this is the asana. Next is pranayama. Pranayama means breath control. If you doing some type of yoga with the help of asana, okay, like Tadasana. We have to do a Tadasana. First we have to inhale the oxygen. After then we have to take a position of Tadasana. Then we have a hold a breath. Okay. After then we after 30 seconds or 40 seconds we have to exit the breath. Okay. Cases there: inhale, exhale, or holding the breath. Okay. With the help of three step, our pranayam is doing very well. Okay. Now next point is pratyahar. Point 5. We have to see this, that sense withdrawal means we have to withdraw our sense needs, like we want a food, then we have to control our senses with the we have to withdraw our senses need, and we have to control our senses. If we have a thirst, then we know how to control our sense organs or senses. Okay. Now next point is dhyana. Dhyana means word is clear. Dharna. Dharna means concentration. If concentration means we have to do any work with the full concentration. Okay, we have to do any work with the full concentration in a dhyana. Main thing is that we have to attention in a one work. Okay, with the concentration, we not forget any work. Okay, we have to do a full concentration if we have to meditate with the God. Okay, then we have to use this way, dhyana. Now next is dharna. Now dharna is a meditation position. If we have to do any work with the one object, then high concentration, same thing is that, but high concentration we have to involve with the any work, or we have to control our senses with the help of meditation. Okay. Now next is samadhi. In samadhi, I stay to joy and place. It means किसी भी जगह पर स्टे होना विद द पीसेस, विद द शांत स्वभाव के साथ अपने आप को एकाग्रचित करना. ओके. इट मीन्स वी हैव टू विड्रॉ आवर ऑल senses, meditation, mind, samadhi, like okay, the super consciousness stage is there. We have to withdraw our mind. Okay, and we have to involve with the God, and we have to sit in a Padmasana position, and we are going to samadhi. Then our soul is going anywhere and our body is stay in a place. Okay, and like a peace of mind we have to involve with the God. Okay, students, I think today all point is clear, 8 point. That's why we have to call Ashtanga Yoga. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.